Hello, and welcome to SkillCourtV12 installation and maintenance video for the spring 2020. My name is Yasmani Sovida. This video will provide you with the installation guide for the technology used to be able to develop and maintain the SkillCourtV application. Let's get started. Software tools. In here we have two lists, the required software and the optional software. Now on the required side, we have Android Studio and Python 3. These are the two main software that you need to be able to develop and maintain this application. Now you need to install Android Studio, but once you installing Android Studio, you need to download and install, which is an option once you're doing it, the Java JDK. On the Java JDK, we need a version 8 or higher, right? So in Android Studio, it's just the IDE to work with this code. Python 3 is used to test the application. So we have something that is called the pad emulator, which is a software that simulates a pad. And Python 3 is the software used to simulate this virtual pad, to call it some way. And 6 and 0conf are just modules used to be able to run this file. On the optional list, we have Git, Start UML, and Node++. Now, this is just optionals. We used it on this spring, but you don't need to. Git is just to track your files. Start UML is just to be able to just build the UML diagram from Android Studio, which is a really cool plugin that it has. And Node++ is just the software that we use to code on Python. Right? Once you install all of these softwares, at least the required ones, now let's go through the installation process. Not the installation process, but if you already installed all the software that we needed, let's move to the conclusion. In here, I'm providing the GitHub link for the project, the latest version, which is 12.0. Now in this, you can do it manually or you can do it using Git, whichever you prefer. Now let's copy this link and paste it. I'm showing you how to do it manually, but you can just use Git, like I said. So to do it manually, you copy the link and paste it into the browser, and then you'll come out with the project page, right? You can hear all the folders and everything. You close and download the zip file. Just wait for it to finish downloading. Once it's done, go to the folder where you downloaded it and unzip it. Okay, so I finished unzipping this file, and now you see that it was stored in the downloads folder. Now, if you already installed Android Studio, you can just open it. Remember to install the JDK once you're installing Android Studio, or you can just, after you're installing Android Studio, you can just go back and install the JDK and then point to that JDK folder. Okay. So once you open Android Studio, this is the project already, you will go and into files, open. It's going to ask you to open a project, right? Then you go to the folder that you used to unzip the file. In my case, it was downloads, and it was right here. So this is the new file. This is the new file that I just downloaded. SkillCourtV Android App Master, and this is the project. So once you click here, it will just bring the project folder into the Android Studio IDE, and this is what it will look like, right? So this is the app. So the Java classes, and here are the classes and the code to work with. Connection, service, structure. Right? Everything is organized in their folders, and this is the user interface. Configuration, game, main. So everything you need is basically right here. Okay, this is it for this video. Thank you for listening, and if you have any question, you have our contact information here at the conclusion page of this PowerPoint. All right, thank you so much. Signing off now.